In this video, I'm going to be showing you 10 simple digital products that you can create and sell to make money online. So this works for you if you're a business owner, you have a job, you're a family person, you're a stay-at-home mom, anything you're doing, you can actually create these digital products on the side and make lots of passive income. I've always been an advocate of digital products because of the so many benefits and advantages. Some of them include the fact that you just create these digital products once and you get paid over and over and over and over again. You do the work just once, and as long as you keep driving traffic to it, you can get paid from it for years and years after you have created the digital products. Also, you do not have to pay for any shop rent, you do not have to take any inventory, you don't have to pay for any storage or packing. These things are easily created with your phone or your laptop, and you can distribute them to as many people as possible. There is no limit to how much you can make from digital products, which is why I have always been an advocate of digital products for passive income. Regardless of how much you make currently, digital products can actually make you more. And again, the fact that you don't have to deal with the headache of logistics and transportations that happens when you sell physical products, right? All of these things contribute to losses and expenses on your part as a business owner. But with digital products, you have no business with middlemen, you have no business with logistics. You can easily distribute your digital product to as many people that are buying it at the same time. So without much ado, let's get straight into it. Let me tell you 10 simple digital products you can start creating immediately if you want to make profit online. Hi there, my name is Favour Kemjii Okoro, and I teach you marketing, finance, tech tips that will help you make more money online on this channel. So if you're not subscribed, do well to hit the subscribe button, and of course give this video a thumbs up if you like it. All right, so digital product number 1 is online courses. What are online courses? Online courses are simply a collection of short video trainings put together that communicate a single topic, one topic. So you can have an online course on Facebook ads, you can have an online course on how to make money through digital marketing, you can have another online course on how to create YouTube videos. There are different kinds of online courses. If you check platforms like Coursera and Udemy, you will see collections of different kinds of online courses based on what your interest is. All you need to do is search what you want to learn. Okay, you want to learn graphic design, you're going to see different kinds of online courses. You want to learn relationship tips, marriage tips, you're going to see online courses that teach you that thing. So whatever topic you think that you have knowledge about, check all these course platforms. You see that there are people buying things on those topics. You want to learn parenting tips, there are online courses that teach parenting tips. The key thing about online courses is that you have to break your videos or your trainings into small bits so that people can easily consume and understand it. So these bits are usually called chapters, modules, or topics, right? So you can have 5 modules, 5 chapters, 6 chapters, 10 chapters in your online course, as long as it is communicating what people are paying you for. So that's the first thing you can create, online courses. You can sell them online on different platforms, and you can also sell them individually. Now, the second type of digital products that you can easily create and sell are called ebooks and PDFs. These ones are text-based content. You see, the first one was video-based. This one is text-based. So you write something an ebook. Now, there is no limit to how long or how short your ebook can be. Your ebook can be 5 pages, can also be 100 pages, right? Make sure it is communicating what it is talking about. You can price your ebook any amount. There are ebooks of 1,000, there are ebooks of 10,000, depending on what the ebook is communicating. So you can write an ebook on a how-to guide to do something. You can write an ebook on recipes, right? You can write an ebook on fitness tips. Write a cookbook, that is an ebook. And these books don't have to be physical books like this. They can actually be sent through the mobile phone or the mobile devices. You can see lots of ebooks on the internet. Now, guess what? The most interesting part is that you don't have to be an author or a writer to write an ebook. You can actually create an ebook using AI tools like ChatGPT, and I have a tutorial on how you can use ChatGPT to write an ebook in less than 10 minutes, and I'm going to link it up here in the description. You should check it out. Digital products number 3, we have templates. Templates are simple, editable digital products that you can use to help people create whatever they want to create. Simple examples of templates are journals. These are printables too. Most of these templates are printable, so people can actually go and print it to be able to do whatever they want to do on this template. There are also templates for carousels, templates for social media designs, and these things can be found on platforms like Canva. You can actually create these templates and upload on Canva and get paid every time time somebody uses your template. So that's another example of digital products. You can create a template for almost anything. You can create a template for cooking, a template for fitness, a template for relationships, a template for how to talk, a template for how to create presentation. I've seen somebody who sells presentation templates. That means if you're going for an event, you're going for a speaking engagement, or you're going for an interview and you're asked to present, something with a series of slides and you don't know how to create it, she would give you a template and all you have to do is edit the template. So she sells these templates, she creates them once and she keeps selling them over and over again. All you have to do is say, hello, okay, my presentation is about this, that, and she looks through her gallery and say, okay, I have something on this and this is how much it is, and you pay for it. So you can create templates on different kinds of things. Those are also digital products. Now, digital product number 4 is images. Yes. What do I mean? You can actually take beautiful, stunning images of yourself and sell them on platforms where these images are sold. Platforms like Canva actually pay you for professional images where people can use and pay for them. So you can take beautiful, stunning pictures of yourself that people and designers can use to create flyers and other kinds of designs, and also upload these images on platforms where you can be paid for these images. Do you see? So that's a digital product, a simple digital product of you taking a picture and also getting paid for those pictures that you took. Number 5, we have planners. A lot of people need help planning their lives and planning their content, planning their social media, planning a lot of things. You can help them plan these things and get paid in return. You can create digital products that plan things for people. For example, we could have a content calendar. That is a planner where you tell people what to post every day for a certain period of time, maybe 10 days, 30 days, 90 days, and you sell this content calendar. That is a planner. You can also create a checklist for people who don't know how to plan their lives, who don't know what to do when they wake up in the morning, a morning routine checklist, and sell it. So in the morning, you tell them, okay, first thing, brush your teeth, do your dishes, take your bath, do your declarations, do your motivations, and all of that. You have that checklist and you sell it to these people, and it helps them, guide them, helps them become more productive. You can have a productivity planner. You can have a fitness checklist. You can have a food timetable for families who don't know to cook or don't know how to spice up the meals for their family. You can create a food timetable and sell to these people. So there are different kinds of planners that you can create and sell. These are also digital products you can create in less than 10 minutes and sell them over and over again. On number 6, we have done for you products, or you can call these ones systems. These are products that the main work has already been done for the people. All they have to do is copy and paste. Copy and paste. Examples include ad copies, right? Ad copies. Some people don't know how to write copies for their adverts. You can write copies for different industries, for Facebook ads, Instagram ads, social media ads in general, and then sell it to people who want to run adverts but don't know how to write copies, right? So you write these copies, maybe 10 or 20 of them, put them together in a collection and sell them. So you can divide them into different categories. So ad copies for health products, ad copies for network marketers, ad copies for finance products, ad copies for this and that and that. So if I'm in a health niche and I want to create ads in health niche, I can buy your ad copy collection, and all I have to do is edit it. Anywhere you put your product name, I remove it and put my product name. I'll change the price to my price, and that is that. So it's done for you product. That's an example. Another example is a sales funnel. You can create a sales funnel for people, the landing page, the thank you page, everything done for them, and all they have to do is copy and paste. And this is something you can sell as a digital product. Guess what? You create it once and you can sell it again and again and again to different people. A lot of people have issues creating funnels. They don't know how to design a sales page. They don't know how to do follow-up and all of that. You can create the sales pages for them, the landing page template for them, and all they have to do is copy and paste. Also create a done for you product for email copies. You can write 30 days email follow-up copy or email campaign copies for people who are into email marketing, and all they have to do is copy and paste. So these are some of the done for you product examples that you can create as digital products and sell them to make money. It's not just for internet marketers. People can create done for you products for people who work in offices. You can create done for you products for HRs that they can use to recruit people, right? You can write done for you employment letter. You can write done for you firing letters. You can write done for you promotion letters, done for you letterheads, different kinds of things, and you package them together. Done for you contracts. Putting up all these contracts together is not an easy thing to do. So you can create these things together and sell to companies, sell to brands, and they use it to do whatever they want to do. Okay, number 7, we have ChatGPT prompts. ChatGPT is one of the most effective AI tools right now, but most people do not know how to use the right prompts to get ChatGPT to give them the kind of results that they need. Right? So if you've understood prompt engineering to an extent, you can package some sample prompts together into a collection and sell them. I have had somebody reach out to me for prompts for ChatGPT, and of course, it's a paid package. So I could create different kinds of prompts for different categories of people, for different kinds of brands, for different kinds of requests, and all you have to do is pay me for those prompts so you can use them on ChatGPT, right? So if you understand ChatGPT prompt engineering, it's actually going to be very easy for you. You create a collection of prompts and sell them to people who want to use ChatGPT to get better results. Do you understand? So that's it on number 7, ChatGPT prompts. On number 8, we have AI images. Yes, AI images are amazing digital products that you can actually sell and make money from. I did a total tutorial on different ways you can make money from AI images, and I'm going to also put it up here in the description for you to watch. AI images are hot selling digital products that you can use and sell to different people and make lots of money from it. So make sure you watch the video to understand better. On number 9, we have workbooks. Workbooks are simply guides, books that actually help people to achieve something. So you can create a workbook that helps somebody to understand a particular book. So let's say, for example, you read this book last month, and then you create a workbook that helps them to understand better the book and also helps them to take action from the book. So let's say the book taught them 5 ways to do so and so. In your workbook, you can ask them, do this, do that, do this, and do this other thing, right? You've used workbook in secondary school and primary school. You know what a workbook is like. It's mostly full of blank pages, but it just shows people, helps them to understand something, a concept better, and also guides them on what action to take. So you can create a workbook that helps people to get things right. And last but not the least, we have ideas and contact lists. This one is another digital product that you can sell. You can sell if you have a hot contact list that people are begging you for, people need, maybe contacts of your suppliers, contacts of where people can buy so and so, contacts of artisans, contacts of dealers, contacts of email addresses that people need, some important contact lists. You can actually package them together and sell them as a digital product. Right? So you can package these contacts or these ideas together and sell them as digital products. For example, a tailor can create a digital product and put out contacts or email addresses of successful tailors that other people can model or look out for. That people who want to start, but they don't know who to study, they don't know who to model from. You can create a list. Those are ideas. You can also create a list for somebody, list of books to read, list of YouTube videos to watch, list of courses you need to buy, list of trainings you need to take. You can put all these things together and create digital products out of them. 20 business ideas you can start with 20,000 naira. 10 books you need to buy if you want to make money. 10 places you can learn about relationship and marriages. These are ideas and contacts that you can put together and create a digital product out of. Some people are looking for contacts of therapists. People are looking for contacts of doctors. People are looking for contacts of where they can find who can sew this and sew that in their location, but they don't know where to get this contact. So if you can put together these contacts and put them together in a digital product and sell, contacts of tailors in Lagos, contacts of carpenters in Abuja, contacts of land agents in Warri, contacts of real estate agents in Ghana. People need this contact and they will be willing to pay you for it as long as it solves the problem that they have. I have a contact list that I sell, and that's contacts of WhatsApp influencers. That's people that can advertise for you on their WhatsApp status, and it's a contact list that I sell. So this is one of the contact lists that you can sell. Contacts of influencers, contacts of people you can pay to promote your product for you. There are people that are looking for this list like crazy and they are willing to pay for it. So if you have a contact list and you know that this thing will help people, contacts of suppliers, contacts of agents, you can put them together and sell them as a digital product. So now it's your job to look at these 10 examples that I just listed and see which one can I create digital products around. Regardless of what you're doing right now, you can create digital products around any of these things I mentioned and make profits for them day after day. If there's any particular one you want me to emphasize on, let me know in the comments, and also let me know the one you're going to be creating after now. Now, if you want to learn how to sell this product, because the truth is, it's not just about creating this product, it's about selling them. There are people who have created digital products but cannot sell this product. That is the honest truth. If you want to learn how you can sell them and make profits from these digital products with ease, then you should join my 21-day coaching program. the Information Product Academy. And this is where I guide you step by step on the secrets, the strategies, the hacks you can use to drive traffic and sales to your digital products easily. Even if you have no sales or marketing experience, this is for you. Registration is currently on for the next batch and you don't want to miss it. Registration will soon close. So check the description for the link to join the academy right away, and I hope to see you in class. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you hit on the subscribe button. Make sure you share this video and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video.